My name is Shawn Ganser. I'm a lieutenant with City of Franklin Fire Department, just outside of Milwaukee County. Dive commander, diver since 2010.
What's the hardest thing about water rescue?
For us, water's cold year-round, so that has an impact even in the summer months. At depth, it's still pretty cold. And in our city in particular, a lot of retention ponds, a lot of detention ponds, so a lot of weeds, a lot of stagnant growth. Just a couple are moving water. A lot of them are every new subdivision, every new industrial park, everything's getting more and more water, storm runoffs, so chemicals, whatever people decide to throw in there because they don't want to run it to a dumpster or the dump is issues. So a lot of weed growth, a lot of just debris and being zero vis.
So you have new technology to help with water rescue?
Yeah, I mean, looking at your product, just because our staffing, like everyone else, faces staffing challenges, having enough divers on duty or having to do a callback for divers, just having to wait, is having some product that we can get a sense of where that person might be to speed up our divers getting dressed, getting in the water, and just reducing that amount of time, that pre-time of going through all those motions. We can get to the person, get them out, and hand them over to the paramedics.
Just one more question. How did you hear about Conquest?
I'm trying to think what trade magazine it was that I happened to see it, went to your website, looked it up, actually talked to the City of Milwaukee because of all their beaches and Lake Michigan, and they kind of got the ball rolling by getting the product. And since we work kind of pretty closely with them, I wanted to see what it was and see how applicable it is to us.